Hi friends, in this video I am demonstrating repair of radial tear and also bucket handle tear of medial meniscus. You can see that there is a radial tear component and also bucket handle tear of the medial posterior medial aspect of the medial meniscus. Uh, there is a lot of fragments and fraying of the meniscus ends. I am trying to reduce this medial meniscus to its position. You can see that there is a bucket handle component, radial tear component. Now I am probing and you're able to see the radial tear component and lot of fragmentation and fraying of the meniscus is seen. So the loose ends and the fragmented parts and the frayed part is being trimmed and with the help of uh, basket or punch I've removed. Now I am trying to put one inside out needle in a vertical mattress position to the posterior medial aspect, and this will be an attraction stitch. We can pull the stitch from outside, and the bucket handle component sits in its position. You can see that the loose ends has been removed, and the medial meniscus is in a shape. This probe shows the radial tear component, and there is a bucket handle. There is a horizontal tear part of the bucket handle. Part of the bucket handle going up to the posterior and near the root of the meniscus. You can see that the all inside stitch has been put in horizontal mattress fashion. This stitch is being tightened, and the stitch it would have anchored to the capsule and the posterior part of the meniscus. This is the third inside out needles. So far we have put two inside out needles and one all inside stitch. This is a horizontal mattress. Till now we put two vertical mattress stitches to the inside out part, and now the for the radial tear component I am using horizontal mattress fashion inside out needles. This is between the end, the posterior part of the radial tear and anterior part of the radial tear. Now this medial meniscus assumes shape of the medial meniscus. Now another inside out needle to the mid anterior part from the uh, anterior medial portal and viewing from anterolateral portal again. This is a horizontal mattress to the capsule. This is directly to the capsule of the medial meniscus. Okay, yes. So we have completed five inside out needles and one all inside. Now the another one inside out needles in horizontal fashion for radial tear component completes the stitches for this particular tear. Now we will be using uh, stitches, tying knots from outside with a small release incision. You can see after we have pulled the stitches, medial meniscus assumes a nice shape of the medial meniscus, so much torn meniscus. Now after we completed the stitches, looks in a good shape. We will protect it with non-weight bearing for 1 month. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.